So we were doing structure of ad agency. So the ad agency has various departments headed by the president. Okay, president will have the control over each and every department, and then the president will give the recommendations to the board of directors. The four major departments are creative service department, media service department, account service department, and your management finance department. So these are the four major departments that will play a very important role for functioning of an ad agency. So first department is your creative service department. As we know, advertisements require creativity, because without creativity, none of the customers will be attracted towards your advertisements or your brand. Okay. Then your media service department, planning of proper media, buying of proper media, because without media, again, you cannot reach to your customers. So we need proper planning of media too, based on our budget. Next is your account service department. That means again, planning of your ad budget. What is the exact amount required by the advertiser to place a particular ad? And last is your management and finance department. That is your administration department of an advertisement agencies. So here are the major four departments and the functioning of an advertisement agency. So moving ahead. First department is your creative service department. As advertisements requires creativity, as we know, advertisement is a teamwork. It requires a team. It requires a number of people to work for a particular advertisement. So creative service means a department which will be working on creative writing, designing, production. These are the major areas where the creative service department will work. So first they will work on copy. Now what is copy? Copy is a output of copywriters. जो हम लोग dialogues लिखते हैं या जो हम लोग illustrations लिखते हैं. Okay, so that signature dialogue होता है ना, कि एक पर्टिकुलर सेलिब्रिटी का या एक पर्टिकुलर मूवी में से एक सिग्नेचर डायलॉग आ जाता है. So those dialogues that cannot be used by any other person, any other celebrity. So for that we are having the authority as a copyright. So वो हमारी authority है. If anyone wants, then we can sell. But without the permission of the copywriter, they cannot use it or they cannot misuse it. Okay. So that copy we will have to buy or that copy we will have to sell both. अगर हमारे पास खुद का कॉपी है तो हम सेल कर सकते हैं, अगर हमारे पास नहीं है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, बाय कर सकते हैं. So that will be taken care by creative service department. Okay. Next is art. What we required in advertisement is art. How creative you are, how appealing you are to convince your customers, to attract your customers, to persuade your customers. That is what is the advertisement is. Okay? So for example, movie. Here just for an example, it is an example of robot movie. Isn't it? सबने देखी है movie है. A majority people have seen it. So how creative they were in that particular movie. In the same manner, each and every advertisement should be creative, so that it should reflect in the minds of the customer. Okay. एक बार भी अगर हमने एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखा है तो वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट हमारे माइंड में होना ही चाहिए forever. So such impact should be such artistic your ad should be. इतनी क्रिएटिविटी आप में होनी चाहिए. Okay. So the main function of art department is to design the layout for print ads. Basically what they will be doing, they will be making the layout work. What should be the layout, what should be the dialogues, what, for example आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हो बर्गर किंग का ad. See, this is what is the layout is. So this layout is prepared by the art department of creative service department. Okay, and then they will be copywriting it. जो भी art वो create करते हैं उस art को क्या करेंगे, copyright करेंगे, so that no other ad agency should use it. Next is production department. Creative service में next is production department. What this production department will do? They will produce the ad with the help of the production agencies, with the help of the production firms. They will give the ideas, they will give what they want, the output to the production firms, and the production firm will work on it. जो भी characters use करना है या जो भी illustrations use करना है, anything, whatever they want, everything will be taken care by the production department. जैसे मैंने आपको कल बताया कि every celebrity, not every, majority of the celebrity, they are having their own production houses to produce their films. In the same manner, the advertiser will give the work to the production department to produce. Fourth is your traffic department. Here traffic does not means कि traffic को manage करना है. Okay, वो जो road पे traffic police होता है, this is not here. Here traffic means scheduling, और in fact वो भी scheduling ही होता है ना? ट्रैफिक जो होता है रोड पे शेड्यूल होता है ना, 30 सेकंड्स ये वे से, 30 सेकंड्स वो वे से, तो वो शेड्यूल है कौन से डायरेक्शंस में हमें जाना है. इन द सेम मैनर इन एडवर्टाइजमेंट वी हैव अ ट्रैफिक डिपार्टमेंट हु विल शेड्यूल द एड्स कि कब एडवर्टाइजमेंट रिलीज होगा मार्केट में, व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट टाइमिंग. ओके, when should the ad should come. So who will handle it? It will be handled by the traffic officer. That means a scheduling officer will be there who will schedule the ads. Okay, when it should come in the broadcasting media, when it should come in the print media, or if required, when it should come in the outside media. So this timing, this scheduling will be taken care by the traffic department. Okay, नहीं तो क्या होगा? Everything will be jumbled. Next is your media service department. What does the media service department will do? Your media service means planning of media, because again the media plays a very, very important role for you people, because as I said you, it is the advertising, not a salesmanship. We are not going door to door and selling the product. We are not going door to door and advertising the product, because we are here not doing the salesmanship. We are not doing personal selling. What we are doing advertisement, that is one to all. One advertisement that is created for the mass audience. So for that, we will be using some media, any media, whichever fits in your budget, based on your budget, based on your reach, how quick you want to reach to your customers. Based on that, you will be selecting your media. Okay. Now what this department will do, this department will first plan the media or blend the media. Blending क्या है? See, as we know, we have so many options of media, है ना? प्रिंट मीडिया है हमारे पास, ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मीडिया है, डिजिटल मीडिया है, आउटडोर मीडिया है, ट्रांजिट मीडिया है. So there are various types of media. So which media option is best for me? That we should select. Okay, or if possible, we will blend. Blend means more than one media. That is what is the blending. If I am having a good amount of budget, good capital, so if I can go for more than one media, that is what is the media blending or media mix. So we can do that. So media planning is also a very, very important part, because that will help you to fix your budget, fix your expenses. Okay. Second, what is your objective? To whom you want to reach and how quick you want to reach. That is also important before selecting a media. Then the nature of your good. What is your good? What type of goods you are having? Okay, and to whom you are advertising? Who is your target audience? Based on that, you will be planning your media. Second is media buying. As I said you before also, what do we buy? We buy either the time or space. क्या खरीदेंगे हम लोग? या तो हम सिर्फ टाइम खरीदेंगे या तो हम सिर्फ स्पेस खरीदेंगे. Now when we purchase the time, especially for broadcasting media or which media? Outdoor media, transit media, cinema media, digital media. These are the media where we will be purchasing the time. Okay. In print media, in posters, there we will be purchasing the space. Okay, there we will be purchasing the space. So what are we buying in media? Either we are buying the time or we are buying the space. Depends upon your media selection. And for that we are paying to media. For that we are paying to media, either for time or for space. Next is media research. Before selection of media, media research is also important. As I said you before final advertisement, before finally placing the ad, what you should do, you should go for the ad campaign to see the success of the advertisement, whether that particular product or whether that particular advertisement will be acceptable by the target customers or not. ठीक है, तो ये रिसर्च करना हमें बहुत जरूरी है कि which media should be best for my product or which is the current media in the market. Okay, for example, now if I want to advertisement for my book, okay, if I'm publishing a textbook, so and I want to quickly reach to my target customer, so which media should I select? Yes, my dear students, which media should I select? Which will be the best media for me? Quickly. Okay, nowadays, which media do you think is the fastest growing media? And the media to connect to the people quickly? Yes, either by television or by the form of digital media. These are the medias. Yes, advertisements on mobile phones. सबसे best है ना अभी WhatsApp status. Whether it is true or not, people will share. So your digital media will help you to expose yourself, to explore yourself, isn't it? So this is what is the media services. So what we are going to do in media services, we will be planning the media, we will be buying the media, and we will be doing research on media, that which media is best for me. Next is account services. Accounts department. Now what they will be doing? First, this account services will plan the advertising. Okay. Here, this account services does not mean they will be managing with your balance sheet. They will be managing with your profit and loss account. No, they will not do this. Then what they will do? They will plan your ad. Okay. Media first हमने क्या किया? Creative service को दिया. Okay. Creative service department ने अपना role play कर दिया complete. उसने advertisement को बना दिया. सेकंड फिर हमने क्या किया? मीडिया सेलेक्ट किया, मीडिया ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट किया, एक कौन सा मीडिया बेस्ट है हमारे लिए. Now third work will be done by the account service department. That means the proper planning work. They will see the advertisement. They will go through the advertisement. Is there any problem or not? Okay. They will take the approval from the advertiser as well as the government authorities. Whatever are the boards, they should approve your advertisement. So they will take the permission from both the advertiser and the government authorities before placing the ad. Then budget preparation. The account executive will be discussing the budget with the advertiser. Here again, important point, my dear students, without the approval of the client, without the approval of the advertiser, you should not go for the finalization of budget. You should not finalize the budget by yourself. Okay, because ultimately kya hoga, if the advertisement is failure, if I'm saying if the advertisement is failure, then the loss will be to the advertiser. But if you have not taken the permission, if you have not taken the recommendation of the advertiser, and if they have not paid you, then the loss will be of the ad agency. तो ये चीजें आपको क्लियर रखनी है. Before finalization of the budget, आपको क्या करना है? Only one thing is that you will have to take the approval from the advertiser. बहुत जरूरी है. नहीं लिया तो क्या होगा? Advertiser will not pay you, isn't it? और नहीं पे करेगा तो क्या होगा? Then the loss will be for the ad agency. So just take the permission. Next is the client relation. You should always maintain your client relationship. Sometimes you will have to reduce the cost. Okay. Sometimes you will have to give some free demos. Have regular meetings with the client. Involve your client in each and every decision. Involve your client in each and every production work. That means whenever you are preparing an ad, whenever you are placing an ad, okay, involve your client. If client does not have the time, so involve the client executive. Client का एक representative होगा. It's not that कि आप bluntly कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Ad agency does not have that authority. So क्या करना है आपको? Have the frequent meetings with the client, discuss each and every point, take the permission and then move ahead. As simple. ठीक है, आप काम तो कर रहे हो अपना, आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ परमिशन लेना है. कीप इन्वॉल्विंग योर क्लाइंट. ये आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. फ्यूचर में जब आप किसी भी सेक्टर में जाकर जॉब करते हो, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टूल टू मेंटेन योर क्लाइंट. Okay, keep involving them. That will help you for the success, and that will help you to keep going in the market, and that will help you for the long run. So what the account department will do? Accounts department will plan the advertisement, they will plan the budget, and then they will maintain the client relationship. That means they will be discussing each and every point to the clients. Okay, confuse nahi hona hai, my dear students. Account service does not mean maintaining of your account books. Okay. Next is your management and finance department. This department will take care of your accounts, actual budgeting. So all the administration work will be taken care by the management and finance department. Number one is your office management. That is completely your admin work. Okay, so this department will be responsible for appointments. This will be responsible for training, development, selection, transfer, promotion, everything. That means whatever are your personal factors, that means human resource factors, that will be taken care by the office management department. ठीक है, किसी भी employees को appoint करना, recruit करना, selection, then transfer, then promotion, everything. Second is finance department. This department will have the control over your accounts. Accounts means now your profit and loss account, your cash flow, your working capital, okay, your budget, your balance sheet, everything. This finance department will take care of that. Third is accounting department. This section will look after all the receipts and payments. What is the amount you have been received from the client and where you are paying? They will be maintaining it. So these are the departments that will actually deal with the accounts work, what you are learning and what you are going to work for. Okay, so management and finance department. First, it is office management. Office management will take care of human resource part. Second is your finance management. That will take care of your financial resources. Third is your accounting department. That will take care of your all the receipts and payment. That means all the funds. If there is any shortfall, then the accounting department will immediately inform to the authorities. Okay. If there is any misplace of the fund, then the accounting department will be responsible. Okay. Then the payment of taxes and the payment of duties, that will be taken care by the finance department. So here again, I'm clearing, don't be confused. Account service department means they will be planning of ad. Management and finance department means they will be managing with the accounting terms. Okay, the practical terms will be managed by the management and finance department. Agency has the major 4 departments: creative service, media service, account service, management and finance. Creative service, again, they have copy and art. These are 2 different things. I have explained you. Copy and art. Copy means copywriting. Okay, having the authority of the copies. Art means artwork. It will work under one department, but there are 2 different works in that. Then is your production department. When the ads are going to be produced, who is going to produce it? Next is your traffic department, who will taking care of the schedules. Okay, when the advertisement should be scheduled or when it should be placed in the market. Next is your media service department. They will take care of the media planning, media buying, and media research. Okay, media planning means what media do you going to use for your particular advertisement? Are you going to place your ad in only one media or more than one media? Okay, what will be the perfect blend of media for you? That will be taken care by the media planning department. Then media buying department, purchasing of media. What you are going to purchase here? Either time or space. Next is media research. You will be having the research on media, which is the best running media in the market. Okay. Then account service department. Here you are going to plan your ad. Okay. Then you will be finalizing your budget with the help of the client or with the approval of the client. Then maintaining a client relationship for the long run. Okay, this is again very important, my dear students. Without client, the ad agency does not have any existence. So you should always have the proper maintain good relation. It should be maintained properly with your client. Next is your management and finance department. Here again, you will be going for the office management. That is all the admin work, human resource work, appointment, training, promotion, selection, everything. Then finance department, they will be taking care of preparing your profit and loss account, your balance sheets. These accounts will be prepared by the finance department. They will be taking care of the financial resources. Then is your accounting department. They will be taking care of your all the receipts and payments, all the funds that has been there with the company and how are they going to use it. So they will be taking care of the all the finances. So this is the complete structure of a particular advertisement agency.